You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French basketball point guard. If you want to learn more names from basketball, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons coming up for you here. He played in the NBA, didn't he? French pronunciation, the way he would pronounce his name, is as Nando De Colo. Nando De Colo. Therefore, in English, you could say it as Nando De Colo. Nando De Colo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.